Take out page number 7, group A. First one is dash is a systematic display of information to an audience. What is that? Presentation. You can write it. Presentation. Yeah. Answer is presentation. Next one. It's MS. Right. Next one. 3 blanks are there in that. Planning. Planning, execution, verification. Okay. D1 is planning again. File extension dot ppt or dot ppt x. Execution. Oh yeah. Yeah, 1 second. Where it goes. You're all writing? Show your thumb if it is okay. Yeah. And Sanvi, where are you? Yeah, right. Yeah, write it, write it. Sakitan, you are not writing or completed? Okay. Yes, Pranav, tell me.
Ma'am, did you give second bit?
Yeah, I gave. I'll write it. I'll write that also.
Okay.
Yeah, second bit. You have to write that in the order. They are not in the order. A, B, C, D. Please, Anita has to prepare a presentation on introduction to computer. Please help her by sequencing the given points to create a plan for the presentation. So, A is there. Yes, ma, Shashank, okay. B, C, D. Okay. So A is which one? No, not A. First tell me what would be the first one? Is it A, B, C, D? What are
Parts of computer.
first is parts of computer?
See, what is computer? What is computer?
Yeah, D1 is first one.
After that, use of computer. Use.
Yeah. No. Parts.
Parts of computer.
Yeah. Then uses of computer. At
Last
last
one.
points
Point of
to
remember.
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 Okay. Oh shit. Yeah. So
Eighth.
at the back, one more they gave you.
Look at the
Look at the
slide.
slides that are jumbled. Rearrange the slides by numbering them on the basis of the titles given on slides. Also,
Ma'am, first is water pollution.
yeah,
Second one is water pollution effects.
yes,
Third one is water exhaler of life.
okay. Order is 2413.
That I answer
Yeah,
get
it's
same
2,
413.
4, 1, 3. And they're asking down if you have to create a title slide for the presentation given above, what will be the title you would provide? What title you will provide if you have created it? Yes,
Soil pollution.
this is not soil pollution.
Hmm.
For the same water pollution only, like what title you will give? Same water pollution you will give, or any other word you would specify?
Any other?
Now tell me that only title. What title you would like to give? Yesterday who have came? I think they have written. What you have written? Save water. You can
Save the
write,
water.
yeah, save water. Yeah, today I will share you the class week 1 notes through MCB. Okay. Yeah, Sanvi, you'd like to, I mean, you want me to explain from the beginning, right? To show what is what. Yeah, everybody completed this one. Shall I close this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone.
Close this.
Shall I close it? Yeah, I'm stop. Yeah. Netra, what? Any doubt?
Ma'am,
Tell me, any doubt?
ma'am, yesterday we returned this now, ma'am.
You have come yesterday. The others did not come, na? That's why. Okay. Yeah, next, coming to the, yeah, 1 second. What is a PowerPoint presentation? PowerPoint presentation is nothing but attractive way to present a topic or whatever it is. Okay, take blank presentation. Sanvi, for you only I am explaining. Fine. Okay, see, this is the opening screen of the PowerPoint presentation, right? So here at the top, there is a P symbol written there. That is PowerPoint. That is called Office button, where you can have that options like minimize, maximize, and close. Okay, and all these file, home, insert, design, where you can see all these tabs. That part is called ribbon. That part where they are placed, that is called a ribbon. Okay, and this is a slide. Click to add title, click to add subtitle is there, right? So that is where they are placed, that is called a slide. And here at the left side, what you can see, all the slides, since now only one slide is there, so if you are going on doing the going on adding the slides, so that slides gets added here also. Okay, this is called slides or outline pane. Okay, who is that? And the next one, these two are called placeholders. This click to add title, click to add subtitle. These two are called placeholders. And down you can see the status bar. This is called status bar down. This notes is there. And slide 1 of 1. Which language you are using, all that. This orange color bar, that is called status
Ma'am,
bar.
you should do this in a laptop.
If you have laptop, you can do. Right now, so we are not doing any. If you want to do presentations, you can do any presentation of your choice, right? And here, like MS Word, you also have here also. You can change the font size, you can change the font style, you can change font color. Everything you can change here also. Like MS Word, you all have the same facilities which are available in MS Word. Other than that, what extra you are having is the presentation part, slideshows and videos, sounds also you can keep in the presentation. Okay, and we'll create one. I'll try to create a presentation. Click to add title. Title I would like to give is Microsoft PowerPoint. So subtitle I would like to choose here. Suppose my name, and grade. Now you can change the size of this. Already it's big. You can change the color if you would like to change. Um, Here you can change the color purple. Okay, you can highlight it also. And this also I'd like to change. Yeah, bold, underline. Style I'd like to change to something like yeah, color. Size. Okay, this is my first slide. So I'd like to go for next slide. Where can I go? Here, new slide is there. You can click on that new slide, and what type of slide you want. I'd like to go for title and content. Okay, got added. So like this, n number of slides you can create, and all that gets added to the this side in slides pane. All the slides gets added in the slides pane. You can also insert images. I told you, go to insert pictures. You can insert any pictures. Click on the picture. It will ask you to choose from the yeah. So here I have some pictures. Online pictures also you can go. Select online pictures. Yeah, inside pictures. Yeah, Sanvi, what you are doing? They all can see the screen? Yes? Yes, ma, can you see the screen, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now inserting pictures. I told you insert pictures. It's not opening. Yeah, some image I have chosen. It got inserted here. Are you able to see? Yes. And you can adjust this image like see how you would like to see your picture. Picture format. So like this you want, or like this, or in a circular. So there are different types of styles that you can view your image. Okay, so these are all the different types of styles. How can you see your image? Like shadow. So many effects you can give. So many are available. So this is different. Okay, this is how you insert a picture in the PPT, PowerPoint presentation. Yeah, clear everyone? Yes, ma? Sanvi, is it clear? So what is what? Yeah. Now how to see slideshow? How to run a slideshow? Here only the option is available. You can see at the top you have slideshow. See here. The slideshow. File, home, insert, design, transitions, animations, and slideshow is there. So there you can click it slideshow. Either you want from the beginning or you want from the current slide. Okay. So we have only one slide. It may not be that much attractive. Okay. That is how you'll do the slideshows in the PPT.